Hi, welcome to Math 87, Lesson 119. In this lesson, we're going to talk about rectangular coordinates. By drawing two perpendicular number lines and extending the marks, we can create a grid or a graph over the entire plane. Then we can identify any point on the coordinate plane with two numbers. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis. The vertical number line is called the y-axis. The point in which the two axes intersect is called the origin. The two numbers that indicate a location, such as this, are called coordinates. So they're indicating a location of a point. The coordinates are written as a pair of numbers in parentheses, such as we have here, 3 and 2, separated by a comma in parentheses. The first number shows the horizontal direction and distance from the origin. The second number shows the vertical direction and distance from the origin. The sign of the number indicates the direction. Positive coordinates are to the right and up. Negative coordinates are to the left and down. The two axes divide the plane into four regions called quadrants. They are numbered counterclockwise, starting right here with the first coordinate, the second coordinate, the third coordinate, and the fourth quadrant, So that's first, second, third, fourth quadrant. Now, the first quadrant has both signs are positive for both the x and the y. The second quadrant, the x is negative, the y is positive. The third quadrant, both x and y are negative. Fourth quadrant, the x is positive, the y is negative. Now, to graph points on a coordinate plane, we draw a dot at the point indicated by the coordinates. So let's graph these points on our coordinate plane. We have our first point is 3, 4. 3 is our x and it is positive. So we are going to count 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3. Now 4 is our y coordinate. It is also positive. We will count 4 units up. 2, 3, 4. And we will put a point right there at the indicated coordinates. Now our next coordinate is 2, negative 3. So to plot 2, negative 3, 2 is our x coordinate. It is positive. We will count 2 units to the right. Negative 3 is our y, and since it is negative, we will go down. And we will put a point right here. That is 2, negative 3. Now we have negative 1, 2. Negative 1, that is our x coordinate. We are going to count one space to the left because it is negative. 2 is the y coordinate. It is a positive. We will go up 2. And we will plot our point right here, which is negative 1, 2. Now we have a point of 0, 4, negative 4. 0 is our x number, and 0 is right here at the origin. We do not go up or down for our x coordinate at all. Or we do not go left or right, Now, so we stay right at the origin. Negative 4 is our y. We are going to go down 4. Because again, it is negative, so we go down. And we plot our point right on the y axis. So that is 0, negative 4. And you'll get quicker at this. We'll do a little practice on it, or you'll get more time to practice on it. Now, we're going to find the coordinates for points that are already plotted. So, first we'll find the coordinate for point A. We will do our x coordinate first. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So it is a positive, and then it is 1, 2, 3 up. So this point is 4, 3, and they are both positive. They are in the first quadrant. It went to the right and then up. Now let's let's find the coordinates for point B. Now point B, we always find the x-coordinate first. We're going to the left, 1, 2, 3 spots. So that is going to be -3 for our x-coordinate. Then we are going up 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went up 4, and so 4, because we went up, is positive, and our coordinate for point B is -3, 4. And we're going to do one more together. Let's do point C. Point C, we are going to go to the left, so our x-coordinate will be negative. We are going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have gone 5 units to the left, so we have -5. We are not going up or down on our y, so y is 0. Now, for our practice problems, you can go ahead and practice finding the coordinates for D, E, F, H, and J.